A review of the Prehistoric Sealife Toob on behalf of Safari Limited by Everything Dinosaur. Such is the interest in marine reptiles and sea monsters generally. What with the discoveries of giant pliosaur fossils, the fearsome Predator X for example, and the recently uncovered evidence that suggests that plesiosaurs gave birth to live young, it was only a question of time before a model manufacturer introduced a specific set of prehistoric sea monster models. This is exactly what Safari Limited have done with the launch of their Prehistoric Sealife Toob. The set contains 10 well-painted and colourful models, representing a very broad mix of prehistoric sea life indeed. 8 of the figures represent reptiles. There is one mammal, the fearsome Basilosaurus, an ancestor of today's whales, and one fish model. The fish is none other than the thrilled shark Chlamydosalacus, a member of a very ancient family of sharks, a so-called living fossil, as these deep-water monsters are around today and occasionally caught in the trawler nets of fishermen off the coast of Japan. One of the benefits of a set of models like this is that it gives collectors the chance to own a model of a prehistoric animal not found in other series. A number of creatures featured in this tube, for example, are not found in any mainstream model collections. Each model measures around 8 centimeters in size. Although the models are not to scale, they make super additions to any model scenes that are being created. The Henodus replica, for example, would add authenticity to any prehistoric scene featuring primitive ichthyosaurs. Henodus superficially resembles a turtle, but in fact it belongs to an ancient group of reptiles known as Placodonts. As the Henodus is only a few centimeters long, it would fit the scale of many ichthyosaur models that are available. As the tube contains 10 models, it lends itself to creative play. Obviously the manufacturers have spent time deciding what animals are to be included in the set, and then quite detailed models have been produced. Great to see a Dolichorhynchops and the Tylosaurus featured. The Dolichorhynchops is on the left, Tylosaurus on the right. 2 marine reptiles that lived in the western interior seaway, which covered much of North America during the late Cretaceous period. Pliosaurs get a look in too, with an interesting metallic green coloured model of the giant Jurassic predator Lioplesrodon. A free fact sheet providing information about this marine reptile is available. Simply contact Everything Dinosaur and our experts would be happy to email one to you. The Prehistoric Sealife set is supplied with its own handy storage pack, and those thoughtful sculptors at Safari Limited have ensured that each model has the name of the prehistoric animal it represents carefully inscribed on its underside or on a flipper. Very helpful. It is good to see such creatures added to the impressive Safari Toobs range. Safari prehistoric animal models and model sets are available from Everything Dinosaur, the UK-based retailer of dinosaur models, toys and games that is staffed by parents, teachers and real dinosaur experts. Visit www.everythingdinosaur.com to explore the huge range of prehistoric animal replicas that we supply. To read more about marine reptiles and other amazing extinct creatures, updates on the latest fossil finds, as well as articles on museum events and activities, plus news stories featuring dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals, log on to Everything Dinosaur's comprehensive web log. http://blog.everythingdinosaur.co.uk. The Everything Dinosaur weblog is full of articles providing information on the latest dinosaur discoveries, new fossil finds, updates on prehistoric animal models, just about anything and everything to do with dinosaurs and other amazing creatures that once roamed the planet. This concludes our review of the Prehistoric Sealife Toob on behalf of Safari Limited by Everything Dinosaur.